Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today, my topic is this draft and shell command and how they both command works. Okay, let's create some shape. For this, let's draw some reference line. Okay, like this. And now I want to draw some spline. Where is spline? Yeah, here. I want to draw some shape like this, and here. Let's move it here a bit. Okay, and now I want to join this here. Okay, so this is my shape, and let's delete this one. Now oh sorry, it's open. The shape is open. Actually, I need to close it. Again, line tool, join it here, and again here. Okay, let's revolve it and create this shape. Okay, now I have just created this shape, but I want this to be hollow from inside. If I used a thin feature, feature means that this will be just like a sheet, a metal sheet or any plastic sheet or whatever material you want. So it will be just like a sheet, and it will be also this surface will also be removed, and it will be just like a you have just revolve a sheet, a small thin sheet, and it will be through hole. There will be through hole in it. Okay, but in a thin feature, it's similar to like a pot. In a pot, it is just empty, hollow from inside, and it is covered from everywhere. So in a shell feature, let's just select this, and for example, I want a shell of 2 millimeters. Okay, thickness of the wall is greater than the minimum radius of. Okay, the thickness of the wall is greater than the minimum thickness. So minimum thickness is, I think, there it is, the minimum thickness. So I will lower the here. Okay, it has succeeded. Now you can see that it is hollow from here. It's hollow from here, but it is also covered from the bottom. So it's not like a thin feature. So you can see that how the shell feature just work. Okay, delete this. Now again go to shell, select first this face, and now I want multi thickness for this face, or I'm sorry, I want just clear this selection for, but I don't want it to be, I want this face to be, for example, 5 millimeters thick. Okay, so it has created the thick, there is a thickness. Okay, there is a shell command, and you can see the thickness of that wall that I have created. I've just created the shell feature, but I would just go again into this, and I will clear this face, and I would select this one here, and 5 millimeter thickness. Okay, now go to this section view, and you can check there was the purpose of that multi-thickness shell. Here you can see that the thickness of this bottom is 5 millimeters, and the thickness of the wall throughout is 1 millimeter. So you can, if you want to reinforce your this bottom or some face, if you want to add more material in that section, you can use the multi-thickness shell command. I hope you would like it. Please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.